What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm about to show y'all this wig that I got on Amazon. I'm about to show y'all how to slay a cheap little synthetic wig. That's right. I'm gonna show y'all how to slay a cheap synthetic wig from Amazon. So here is the package. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted us to open it together. So hopefully y'all like this. Hopefully I like it. I don't know what it is, but we're about to see what we can do to this wig because I know we're gonna have to revamp it and other things like that. So yes, we are opening it together. This is the DR30. I wanted to try this one, the Outre Lacefront Petite Bundle Hair. Is the L parting is in DR30, which is the Dominican Blowout in straights. Here she is, y'all. And if y'all can't see this really clear, of course, I'm gonna put a picture right here so y'all can see it even better. Now, this is the first time I ever tried this wig, and this is the first time y'all about to see me with it. So we about to get this popping. I'm off it cheap, okay? I don't have to buy $400 bundles, whatever. Cute face, hair, as long as it looks okay, not as long as it doesn't look crazy. That's all that matters. I'm ready to slay it. Of course, to get out the packaging, it comes like so. It's a little, it's shiny, it's a little shiny. I mean, I'm not trying to look like an old lady, but we about to get it going. It has a lace L parting. It says high-tech, heat-resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. But I've always been scared to put heat on, you know, synthetic wigs and stuff like that. I ain't about that life. I'm scared. So yes, let's get her out. She comes with the lunch lady hairnet, of course. And okay, now on the camera it looks a little red, but it's a little. I'm like, is it the same color? I really don't know, but what is that? Is that like a crown? I can't. Okay, let's get this out. Okay, y'all, she is soft. I really like it. I'm combing through it. These are her ends. Let me show you guys. These are her ends. No shedding so far. No shedding. That's bomb. That's good. You don't want no shedding. Shedding is always not okay. Minimal shedding is okay, but a lot of shedding, no ma'am. And this is her part. Definitely gonna have to do a little bit of plucking to that. That is not a problem at all. And this is her lace. This is that hard plasticky lace that she comes with. And this is the inside of her. You see you have that L part. The part is wide enough for you to pluck it and make it look realistic. So I definitely have my brush and of course some concealer, wet concealer, powder concealer, whatever, to lighten up the part. I'm about to show you guys how she looks on with the part as is. So give me just a second. I gotta move it up some. My forehead is so huge. I do not like that. My forehead is big. So of course it looks a little crazy, but of course I gotta get it all situated, and she is super soft. It is what it is. You can always fix it to make it what it is. So I really like this color. All I have to do, I like how the black goes into the blonde and everything like that. So of course it looks kind of crazy, it looks kind of fake, looks kind of wiggy. We're definitely gonna fix that. I have to cut the lace off. I have to put my baby hairs down. I have to pluck this. I'm not gonna pluck it because of I don't want to rip this. So I'm definitely gonna pull it with my hair. I'm gonna pull it with my hands, cut this, and get this out the way, because I feel like with my baby hairs and when I get this on, you know, situated, it looks like this. This is how it looks at the ends. So when I get this all situated, I'm sure that it will definitely look nice. So I'm putting my lighting down a little bit. You guys can see the color change is really different when I put my lighting down, the color changes a lot. But this DR30 is definitely pretty because I haven't had a wig in this color at all. Like, I've never tried this color before and I'm really loving it. So the only thing I hate is it's making it look shiny on camera, really, really shiny, and it's not at all shiny like that. That's the thing. Cameras will give a different color. So I think it looks bomb with my skin tone. So without further ado, let's go get these scissors and let's get the cutting. Okay, so I cut it as close to the hairline as possible. Now we gotta get the plucking, y'all. I don't want to use tweezers to pluck this because I'm not trying to rip the net and all of that. I forgot to mention, these do have combs at the top, so I'll just stick it inside of my braid, and they do come with this, as far as, you know, tying it to your head, another comb at the bottom, and these trusty straps where you can adjust them to fit your head size, girl. So look at the part before. I'm gonna spread it. This is the part before. And we are going to do an after. So what I'm going to be using to help me pick out all the hairs that I need is this little bad boy right here. It's super pointy, so I'm just gonna scoop the hair and start pulling. Like so. Just pull it out. Widen up the part as much as possible. So it's looking a little better so far in the front. I am going to do a lot more and I will be right back. I plucked quite a bit of hair out, guys. I plucked quite a bit of hair out, and this is how it looks when I plucked it, and this is the aftermath of the part. So it looks a lot more natural than what it came like it looks hella natural. And yeah, that's how it looks. So let me go ahead and put her on. I also cut her lace. Let's see how much better it looks. Let's give it a shot. Show y'all how this is looking from a distance, because it looks, oh my god, it looks so different in the camera than in person. I'm like bomb as hell. So the part, I may have to do a little bit more plucking, maybe not. But let's see how it looks once I apply, you know, the powder to the part. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this color because it looks a lot more nude than the rest. The powder. Oh yeah. She looks so much better as we put the powder. She's looking bomb. Uh-oh. I may have to go back in and pluck a little bit more. But y'all get how it's looking. She looking kind of good, y'all, but my forehead is so big. That's why I'm like, oh my god, y'all. Why is it feeling so crooked to me? Am I tripping? Is she supposed to? I'm like, is she supposed to be straight or curved? It's meant to be curved. I feel so stupid. Hold on. I'm over here looking cray, trying to figure it out. I done figured it out, and she is bomb, y'all. I really, really love it. I need to back the camera up a little bit and throw on some earrings, and maybe she will come on together. Y'all, this is really not bad for almost $30 for a wig. This is really not bad. Like, this is like 20-something dollars. I really got to check the price because I really don't even, I don't know how much she costs. Anyways, let me put on some earrings and a shirt and I will be right back. This wig is bomb. This wig is bomb. I love it. I'm feeling it. I'm like, oh my God. Cute. Throw on a business suit, business attire, whatever you do for your profession. And it's lit. I really, really love it. I look really nice. So I turned the darkness down and y'all can get a little bit more flavor of this hair. So y'all can see what she's hitting for when the lighting is turned down a little bit more because I don't want to give y'all the wrong impression. Hair is coming out. But yeah, it is definitely a beautiful color. Definitely a beautiful color even when the light is down low. Look at the part. The part is, it did me justice. I just have to scoot it up a little bit more, do a little bit more work on it. And I'm gonna wear it to the side. I'm gonna wear it in the middle. I'm gonna wear it wherever way she wants to go. Make me feel like a young Solange. Make me feel like a young Beyonce. But anyways, yeah, this is how the color looks in the dark. Y'all, for the price of this wig, this ain't no joke. This wig is bomb. She is everything I was looking for, okay? I'm so glad I got this color because I'm used to like the natural color wigs. That's what I stick with, that's what I know. But I stepped outside the box and when I tell you I'm loving this wig, I feel like I'm about to just go sit in my office like, hi. Oh, don't give me, just a second, I'll get it. I'm in my office. Like, what? This is a slayable wig. If you like this wig, comment down below. Like this video, let me know what the deal is. If you like this wig and you want this wig, I will link it down below so that y'all can get this wig and slay it just like I did. Don't be afraid to pluck, but be very careful when you pluck because you do not want to rip the net. So when you pluck it, use 3 strands, 2 strands at a time. Pull it with your hand, twist it, and pull very, very lightly. Do not yank it because you will rip the net, and that's what you don't want to do. Don't use tweezers because sometimes tweezers can get caught in the net and you can pull too hard. You can nip it just a little bit and rip the net. That's what you don't want to do. So be careful so you can slay on payday like me. So this really looks really, really ginger in the camera, but I really love this. Y'all, I'm really feeling myself. Hold on. You already know it's time. When the ending comes, I got to do a little glamour. I got to be dramatic. Y'all, I'm really feeling this wig, as you can tell. I hope you guys really, really love this wig just as much as I do. I hope you guys love this video. Do not forget to click that subscribe button before you leave and join my team. I will be back with another video, with another wig, with another cheap slay. Don't be afraid of Amazon. Amazon does not take your coins. They will give you what you need if you read the reviews. That's another thing y'all gotta do. Y'all gotta read the reviews. If you see something you like, jump on YouTube, look it up, see what it's hitting for, see some reviews, and you know, weigh the good with the bad. I did. I went on. I seen reviews. I was like, I think I look cute with that. So I'm here and it's lit. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, hit that subscribe button